Good afternoon. It is March the 6th, coming to you from Curaçao. Anyhow, we aborted two ports, Aruba and Bonaire, because of bad weather. So we landed here with not so great weather in Curaçao. But I am going to enter the Windcreek Casino, Carnival Casino. Right here, I got my $5 free play. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to let you see real quick what it looks like inside, and then we will go from there. So we're going to the casino for a minute and take a little walkabout. But till then, you all have a really good day, and let's go in here. There's the dancing drums. I tried that last time. It didn't work too good for me. They got a diner there. They got all the blackjack you ever wanted. So I may play that here in a second. Let's see what games they have here. Let's see what I'm going to try. It's not always easy to do this incognito. Breaking bacon. They all have the $8.80 max bets here. Let me come back there. Let me go front desk, player services. Come back here. I'm going to come back in a second. So coming back out of the casino, and there's the Enchanted Princess, and it's raining now. There's the AIDA cruise ship behind that. It's a beautiful tropical place. You know, Jimmy Buffett says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. They say it's always 5 o'clock in Curaçao. Curaçao is spelled C-U-R-A-C-A-O. A lot of times people think that's Curaçao, but it's Curaçao, and it's raining. So, anyhow, find your winning moment. Windcreek Casino.